Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Roblox mod menu. First, it's crucial to understand the risks involved. Using these menus often goes against Roblox's terms of service, which could lead to your account being permanently banned. Additionally, downloading from untrusted sources can expose your device to malware or viruses. Always prioritize your account security and device health by being extremely cautious about where you obtain such software. To get started, you'll need to find a mod menu. A quick search online for Roblox Mod Menu will yield many results. It's vital to stick to reputable sources, like well-established forums or websites with positive community feedback, to avoid malicious software. Once you've identified a safe source, download the mod menu file. This is often an executable program or an injector that will interact with the Roblox client. Before installing, make sure your Roblox game client is completely closed. Next, locate the downloaded mod menu file and run it, often as an administrator, to ensure it has the necessary permissions. The program will then guide you through the injection process. This usually involves selecting the running Roblox process or launching Roblox directly through the mod menu's interface. The entire process typically takes less than 1 minute. Once the mod menu is injected, launch Roblox. You'll typically activate the menu within the game using a specific hotkey, often the insert key or a function key. Navigate through the options using your keyboard's arrow keys or your mouse. You can then enable or disable various features, such as infinite jump, speed hacks, or even an aimbot. Remember to use these features discreetly to minimize the risk of detection and maintain your account's safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.